Hello, my name is Marc Choi and I'm a biology graduate student at SUNY-Fredonia. The title of my presentation would be on the assessment of phytoplankton metrics and depth integration of drone hyperspectral imaging. Now for our project, we took water samples underneath the flight and imaging path of a drone hyperspectral imager, which is a very fancy imaging technique. Now, these water samples provide context or ground truthing for our drone hyperspectral imager. Therefore, we needed to know the accuracy of our phytoplankton metrics so that we know we are pairing accurate measurements for our drone hyperspectral imager. Additionally, we wanted to know how deep our drone hyperspectral imager was reading, because we didn't know if the hyperspectral imager was reading just at the surface of the water or if it was including everything, including the bottom of the lake. This is very important for the future of drone hyperspectral imaging for aquatic systems. Now, we learned quite a lot and we had a lot of valuable experiences from this project. Some of the big things include working with different forms of technology and water quality monitoring techniques, and it did help us to learn how to work in a collaborative scientific environment.